In this video, I'm going to teach you how to accept friend requests in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have received a friend request, either from someone random or from your friend who sent you a friend request by using your name, you can easily accept it. You can do so on the website or through the Roblox player. So first, if you want to do it through the website, the option is going to be available here at the left side of the screen. Go over to Connect. You will see the connections, which are your friends, people you are following, the followers that you have, and finally the friend requests themselves. So whenever you find someone who you want to accept a friend request for, just go over here and then click on accept. You can double check their profile by clicking on their name, and then you can see more details about them. So let's say, for example, this person wants to add me. I'll go ahead and click on accept. Once I have them accepted, they will appear under my connections. So you will see them here. You can go over to their profile at any time, remove the connection. So if you've changed your mind, you can click this button. And if you want to send a friend request to someone, you just go to their profile instead, and the option is going to be available here as well. And then they will be able to go over to requests on their screen and accept your friend request that you sent here. The same exact thing can be done through the Roblox player itself. So you open the player, go over to connections here at the top, and you will see all of your friends. If you have new incoming friend requests, you can click on this plus sign and all of them will be listed here. So add them as you wish and they will appear under your Roblox connections. It is simple to do, it works on any platform, and you can add as many people as you want. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.